When traveling at a constant speed of 32 miles per hour, 32 miles per is like divide, so 32 miles per hour, or let's just say per 1 hour, 32 miles per 1 hour. A certain motorboat consumes 24 gallons of fuel per hour. 24 gallons of fuel per 1 hour. And actually, what's really nice here is we notice that the time term is the same. So these are already very comparable rates. In an hour, we go 32 miles. In an hour, we consume 24 gallons of fuel. Let's see what they're asking. What is the fuel consumption of this boat at this speed measured in miles traveled per gallon of fuel? So the relationship we ultimately want is miles traveled per gallon of fuel. And as I said, we're in a really good situation because the original rates are very comparable because we're talking about the same amount of time. We can just think about what happens in 1 hour. So in 1 hour, what happens? Well, we're going 32 miles per hour, so in 1 hour, we travel 32 miles. Similarly, we know we're taking up 24 gallons per 1 hour, so in that 1 hour, we use up 24 gallons, and actually, this is everything that we need to get our relationship. Since we're talking about just the same time, we know that the relationship between miles and gallons is 32 miles per 24 gallons, which is the relationship that we ultimately wanted, miles per gallon. I'm just going to get rid of that original goal so that I got a little bit of space here. But that was our goal, miles per gallon, and so we're almost there. We've got the right value here. The problem is it just doesn't match our answer choices. Our answer choices are much smaller fractions. So let's see if we can reduce this thing. Well, let's see. What goes into both 32 and 24? I guess the biggest number that goes into them both is 8. 32 divided by 8 is 4. And then same thing down here. 24 divided by 8 is 3. And that's much better. This whole thing reduces to 4/3 miles per gallon. And that shows up in answer choice D. My guess is the most commonly selected wrong answer choice is answer choice B, which has these numbers upside down. But we avoided that because early on we read that question very carefully and said, well, we need miles per gallon, with that per implying divide. All right, I'll see you in another video.